Good morning. This is Wednesday, June the 10th. My second day back across the country, going from California to Virginia. I think yesterday I was calling it the 8th or something, but my days were mixed up. Yesterday was the 9th, headed back, first day, and today's the 10th. I'm in Cedar City, Utah. Spent a good night at the Abbey Inn. Wi-Fi was a little slow. I just uploaded one video barely, but yeah, I got a charge from this charge point shared post. I think it was $9.01 for 28 kilowatt. And I tried earlier to pull the thing loose as I walked by. I think it's one of these ones I have to raise the hood to get it loose. Don't really know what's going on with that, but that makes the third time this trip. But yeah, I guess I better close the door, turn off the light in my room, but my room was straight ahead. The lady was real nice and gave me a room right in front of the charger. Stuff in my seat like somebody's been eating in here or something. On a stick. Yeah, so I saw this one charge point port with two ports, and I think I'd said this last night, but there's two or three Tesla destination chargers down here. Gosh, I don't think I woke up yet. Um, it's 6:44 here, but two Tesla destination. And you see, it seems like to me they wouldn't be costing anything, maybe, but I didn't choose that option because I didn't want the little adapter out all night. They're not too expensive, and this looks like a good neighborhood. It really was a good stay, but I was going to stop close by the place and eat, but I guess I need to go back up and park where I was. Yeah, they're doing renovations. I'll swing around. Uh, there was, let's see, I'll show you right here. That's Abbey Inn pool. That's cool. This is Abbey Inn renovation up front, but I was told that um, they were being bought out by Hilton, maybe. Not sure how that'll go, but this seems to have one of those local flavor things I was talking about. That's nice. They take care of it. Yeah, I guess I'll just park back where I was. Makes me want to try to hook up one of them Teslas and see if it works. But I mean, I won't park exactly where I was so people can have the space. But well, see if I can go down here and breakfast is included. So I'll go down and see if it's anything I can eat. And I'll be back 6:45. I'll be back on the road here in a minute.